101 project management problems and how to solve them. Practical advice for handling real-world project challenges.
I should be the project manager. I have the creative vision and the design knowledge. I know how to bring the client's dream to life.
Hold on, without proper cost management and financial planning, your beautiful designs will never get off the ground. I have the budgeting skills to keep the project on track financially.
You both are missing the point. None of this matters if the structure is not structurally sound and built correctly. I understand the technical details and the practical aspect of construction.
Design is the most important part.
No, 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 no. Budgeting is the key. Oh.
Structural integrity comes first.
Who makes the best project manager? Let's break down the strengths of each profession to see who might be the best suited for the project management role. Architects are trained in the art and science of building design. They have a keen eye for aesthetics and functionality, ensuring that the client's vision is realized. They coordinate with various stakeholders and ensure that the design is feasible and up to standard. Quantity surveyors are experts in cost management and financial planning. They ensure that the project stays within budget and provide detailed cost estimates. Their skills in contract management and financial oversight are crucial for preventing cost overruns and financial disputes. Civil engineers focus on the technical and structural aspects of a project. They ensure that the construction is safe, sustainable, and meets all regulatory standards. Their expertise in materials, methods, and site management is vital for the successful execution of the project. Each professional brings unique strengths to a project. But who do you think makes the best project manager? Is it the creative architect, the budget-savvy quantity surveyor, or the technically skilled civil engineer? Comment below.